What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I want to show you how we can get user input into our Python program. I'm also going to show you how we can take that information, store it inside of a variable, and do cool things with it. So without further ado, let's get started. To allow the user to input some text, we need to say input and then a pair of open and close parentheses, and inside of these parentheses we can type in a prompt. And usually when we want the user to enter in some information, we tell them what kind of information we want from them, and that's what we put inside of these parentheses. For example, I'm going to ask enter your name and then a colon. Now this prompt has to be in a form of a string, and I'm going to have a colon as well as a space after the colon. This tells Python to leave a space when the user is typing the information we requested. And when we run the program, it's going to ask us to enter your name. I'm going to enter my name, and when I press enter, nothing happens. That's because we haven't told Python what to do with that information. Let's start off by creating a variable, and let's call it name. And in this variable, we're going to store the input section of the code. Then let's create a print statement under this variable. And in this print statement, I'm going to store the variable's name, which is name. And now when you run the program, it's going to ask us to enter your name, and I'm going to type it in. And when I press enter, you'll see that it's printing out my name right under this prompt. Now that we have learned how to get the user input, let's make this program a bit more interesting. Let's start off by adding another variable, and let's call it age. And in this variable, I'm going to store the input prompt, and let's ask the user to enter in the age. And in this print statement, I can say hi, and let's have the user's name after this. Then we can have the age over here, and then years old. And now when we run the program, it's going to ask me to enter in my name. And when I press enter, it's going to ask me to enter in my age. And when I press enter one more time, it's going to print out the message, hi brilliant, you are 17 years old. Now you can go and create more variables and ask the user for even more information. But that's it from my side. If you enjoyed or found this video helpful in any way, shape or form, then consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I upload a new video. Also, if you have any constructive criticism or any questions or anything, comment them down below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.